today we'll be analyzing Sushant Singh Rajput's handwriting to understand about his personality and his mindset before his demise on 14th June. So this is his writing when he had written his 50 goals. This writing shows a person who is well balanced in his thought process. He is neither too outgoing or emotional, neither is he too much into himself. A person like this has quality of leadership because he can mingle with all kinds of people and relate to different kinds of people. So he was a leader in his real life as well. And his lower zone letters have long, like his Y's and G's are long, so have long stems. So it shows that he had a lot of physical determination or a lot of energy to accomplish his goals and his dreams. But that also brings across a person who is restless. These Y's and G's have loops. So this shows that he had a good imagination power, and he was also very ambitious as a person. So someone who is not easily satisfied either with acting or in achieving goals. So when he used to achieve these goals, he was not very satisfied as he would have thought. So whenever he used to do something for him, chasing goals was more important, used to excite him more than achieving those goals, because he had done a 100 crore movie, but the feeling which he had to achieve that goal, so he used to set the next goal and achieve that goal as well. So someone who is a seeker in his life. And his process in terms of, he had achieved a lot of things in his life. He had stood 7th rank in Delhi college exam, and he had also been one of the top actors, TV actors in the country with Pavitra Rishta, and one of the most sought after and highly paid actors. So he used to repeat a lot to succeed, and he used to practice, repeat, and this is very evident from his whiteboard, where he had written at the end, learn, practice, repeat, conquer. Okay. And here you would see his writing is completely different. This writing is vertical. Most of his writings are at 45 degrees. And the most interesting part is the loops, if you would see, of his lower zone letters have large loops. So a person has been worked, his mind has been worked, his personality is shifted just in 1 year itself. So if these lower zone letters indicate a person who becomes more childlike, a person who has trust people too easily, and due to this he is not able to fulfill his needs, and his T-bar letters also have been down. So that shows that his self-esteem, his self-confidence has come down dramatically. And this happened over a course of a year, because if you look at his the book he had given to Shraddha with the date, just on 22nd last year in March, he had written this, where his writing is at a 45-degree angle. So, and this also shows he is well balanced and he is good. I mean, he's satisfied, he's well balanced, and he's good. So I would side with the family and say that his mind has been worked. And coming to the woman on his life, Ankita had said he used to write a lot.